Sean Cole Enterprises, Royalty Affiliate, and I want to talk to you today about royalty. We all know in November, the price is going up. We're offering you a top product, and the floodgates have opened for royalty. Everybody's getting in, everybody's ordering their gems. Everybody wants to be a part of this royalty notification network. I suggest you do the same. Get in now, get yourself situated, get your customer situated. A lot of clients that I've signed up I've put 6 people into royalty in about the past 4 days. Like I said, the floodgates are opening up. You need to get in now too. And a lot of those customers have come from other companies. Servia, I forgot it's another smaller company, Beacon Company, and the individual DIY Beacon companies now, because they're not offering their customers a pliable way to market their business through beacons, where royalty has the best solution for the shutdown of the Google notification network through the Royalty Notification Network, where we have partnered with many top apps where your notifications will show in the news feed of those apps. So we're reaching all phones, we're reaching Androids, we're reaching iPhones, whatever other phone you got out there, we're reaching it. Your advertisement will be seen. As far as Facebook, say Instagram, we're pretty much slashing the prices about 40% on what they charge on their normal ads. We're beating them. It's just the best situation for what's going on. And I believe that with Google shutting down their notification network and Royalty having their Royalty Notification Network set up, that it's a better product now. We now have a better product. And I'm excited. I've been very busy getting people signed up and jumping in before the price increases and before everything shuts down in December. Again, I'm going to say get in today. We get you set up. And also, it comes with training. I do weekly training, software to help you run your ads and promote and market your business a lot better. And let's get in and let's get going, man. Let's get this money, and let's all be prepared and be ready for what's going on, what's going to happen, and for the new day ahead. And it's going to be a better day, it's a better time. And Royalty has the solution to your proximity marketing needs. We're the only company out there that has a solution for your problem that's not going to require your customers to try to convince their customers to download an app so that you can sell to them. It just doesn't make any sense. Royalty has a solution. We're meeting your customers where they already are. They're already on Facebook. They're already on Instagram. They're already on CNN. They're already on Yahoo, just to name a few. They're already there, and that's where you need to reach them at. That's where you will be touching them. And like I said, there's no more of your customer having to swipe down a notification. Don't have to worry about that anymore. We're placing your ad right there on the app where they will see it, right in their news feed. It's the best thing going. Sign up today. I'll put my links down in the descriptions of this video. For more content, more information on royalty, like the video, subscribe to my channel. You can reach out to me. Again, this is Sean. You can reach me 410-929-3390 if you have any questions. And get signed up with Royalty today, man. Get in. Everybody else is getting in. There's no need for you to be left out in the cold or to pay more money. We'll be doing a live demonstration of exactly how it works. I'll get that information out to you later on this week. And just be on the lookout for it. Again, Sean Cole Enterprises, Royalty Affiliate. I'll put the descriptions down in the link. You need to reach out to me, 410-929-3390. Thank you for your time today.